person. So big ups to you. It be mandatory. It has to be done. Ibra no Jimmy Ache, where it's been going on for a very long time. You understand? It's been going on for a very, very long time. Where it be about time where Ibra somebody for do what? For deal with them. So no Kennedy Japan has taken the matter on. The matter the Ibra there, then catch him right now. In family, then 1 or 2, they sort the issue out. Then can see say Ibra no, it be mental problem where he gets. You know, we say everything they do. It be mental problem, any Jimmy, you know. But this world where we dey inside, overtaking is allowed. So if 5 years ago, you were doing so well in life, and 2020, some people they do well, some people they do well in life, you for not start to hate them, they talk things where you for not talk. Bitterness where Ibra they take the work. Bitterness. Nieshina ni say, right now, wabeye yawawe, some of the boys know they mind them again. I can't talk this thing. Where right now, bitterness where the guy they take the work. Pure bitterness. You know they won't make anybody overtake them. So obekan wasem, obekan, and a game boy away, and a mess snitching, and a way mekan asem, and a way mekan asem. The guy, you know, be mentally stable. You know, be okay, cry. You know, be okay. Where the guy for go through treatment. In family, explain and give Mr. Kennedy. They explain give am say nipa na oni ne kono enyo onwa enyo onwa bitterness ka ho, but it can get small mental problem where we all as family we dey try do what we dey try help am. If you no be so, you no go threaten sitting president say you go do what you go kill am. Na who go di agro baby a na wa onwa efi wa unim say ejuma we na wo ye no obedidi obi atem Kennedy na obedidi na atem wa unim say Ghana na awo no Ghana na awo no ejuma we na wo ye. What you say? Who ye juma bimun shede ni law mu. Ebi shede ni law mu. This Kennedy be the wrong person to try beef. But now Kennedy no say the Ibra guy he get mental problem. So as I speak to you right now, in Big Brother and 1 or 2 people they inside they try make sure say Ibra go get the treatment where he forget. You understand? And let me put on record. So make we talk about Ibra small before we go on the issue. Some big boys we dey Ghana they talk plenty for town. And today I go straighten certain things. Make you know say KOD. If you want to talk about you know they hide behind camera. For years everybody know. If I want to talk about you, I go talk. You know be you they feed me. You know go fit do nobody anything. You know go fit do nobody anything. Me I know they hide behind camera. I never do that before. If I want to talk your matter, I go talk. Me I know they hide. Everybody know. Me, I know be fear. I know they hide. I they talk as they. I they talk. We go come there. Where I go explain that to. We go come there. But make we finish Ibra matter. So the Ibra guy, he starts long ago. He talk plenty matter. He want to go and leak COVID-19. Nobody get COVID-19. Make them bring somebody. Make it leak the person. Make them see the person go get COVID-19. Plenty matter. But whoever they there, anything Ibra they do, don't take them serious. Before me, somebody like me, they also go verse. That go can't talk some, can't this Ibra, can't talk. Where I can see say, so bodan for jarina bodan for before watari kwa. Now di nature. Also you bodan for. So the guy, he no be okay. He they need help. Because certain things where the guy they talk. He they shoot for in room. They talk say evil spirit they come. He go post in naked picture. They go post in girl in naked picture and all that. It be disgusting. So it reach some point, me and I can see say, you know what? Ibra get problem. And the problem where Ibra gets, therefore make it get help. This is what Ibra they do. Ibra go hold him phone. If he hold him phone now in brothers and 1 or 2 people they track him down, make them catch him, go hospital. But now them know they catch him. Now let me explain why now them know they catch him. Ibra go house, he go snap. If he dey snap, I go put him phone on flight mode. He go put this thing self. Some guy be self can talk. The guy be too can talk. Where right now that thing all can make matter. But I go can there. I'll can that Snapchat matter. They come explain some things. Me this thing I know already. You go put where I talk for my snap already safe. I talk about all these things already. Ibra go put in phone on snap. If you put in phone on he go put in phone on flight mode. If you put in phone on flight mode, then you go do the snap. If he left in house, they go check the phone from flight mode. They go load the snaps all. So you go think say Ibra day house right now. They go there. Now Ibra no day. Ibra left. So sometimes you go see Ibra in snap where you go think say he be now. He day where he day now. Ibra he no day there. If they put in phone for flight mode where he dey snap. Until your snap ni enye the end load. Until you feel no man. If it's 20 minutes away from the place, now we use phone if you flight mode. Now I load ni nyina. So if you see, you go say, hey, Ibra de Madina, make you go catch him. Or Ibra de house, make you go there. You go Lamui. Ibra no day there. Okay. So Ibra can start the fool where Ibra can he can attack his own woman. He can attack his own woman and not like the matter. That be about 1 month ago. I can't discipline. The reason why self say me self I can't attack Ibra be say he can't mention my name. He can't mention KOD name. Why? Because Ibra there's up followers. He knows say we get the following. For Snap need the no credit say you work followers. Obi or will be himself followers in there you will be. And no soon I go for asema then abano and then we go talk. No banku, no banku. Yen ya pese kasa ebe kasa. Ubeka ya asema yen tie because you ka asema obe famous. We go watch you one side lamwe wabo bra ukaki wo hen ubensi ahen aha ufie wo hen u project wo hen ubeka asema yen fiu. Ewi ase no bo bra sikafo kwa mi despite mu ene ne ekika ho no bema them no get time for people where then they below them. Oh yes, uchi unwa bechi. Aha, oh yes, na uchi unwa bechi. La mui benku la mui. We all get followers. So now let's come to the topic. So Ibra full long time ago, about 1 month ago, me a discipline Ibra already. Takre I discipline Ibra already. But before we go there, we will go that matter inside. And I get some boys before Ghana. If people want me to mention your name and discipline you, I will take on life and I will ship you. Me Sakawasikano, Unkwedi o na okwa na wako. La go die. And don't be my matter. Once we did, everybody for respecting hustle. Me, my farmer day, make a focus on my crops. If you come into my farm where my snake bites you, I no go take you go hospital. You know go take yourself go hospital. Same way if you dey your farm, where I come there where snake bites me, you know you go take me go hospital because you know say me say la for come your farm, la for can't get snake bite. You understand? Now make you go straight to the point. Now what Ibra do be yawa? If yawa happen where you pay the go down, I go down. You know be say now where you they can't bring people down. He talk this matter, I can't talk him. Can't talk, I can't this some way. I can't see Bema, guy and why then what bottom. So, honorable Kennedy Japan, no cranny say, boys in it, Usu be diom with chia, ubechi mebri. It's a fact. Because Ibre ya uchini, Ibra, Yaman Shishan and why you ready say uchina, only go for a cut down, no, a dosun. You understand? A dosun. So, honorable Kennedy Japan, ya powacho, Ibra, dear forgetting. You understand? Forgetting. Election time, I know say you people things they your front. Ibra they can't distract. Munjanu na mun focusi. What I say mun focusi. So this be me talking on behalf of all the game boys. With them they Ghana. Your level where they talk. It no be me and you they do the tackle low. But also may come out. Yes you can kwechi. Usike nyina ukasa nkofo ntie wo bema. Unim ni ntia. Adwene da utimu no enso. Aha, la pocket big, la malam tall, but la sense no get. What you say? It be true, it be fact. And we they give you respect because unsu will failed. You failed yes, unsu nim takre to get money. But some of us too, we get big brain. Where if we talk, the youth they listen. If we talk, people they pay attention, they listen. We get followers, we know reach but if we wake up early morning, we know they ask nobody for breakfast. I know they can't stand somebody in there, ask them say, oh Pana, give me breakfast, make I go chop, or give me lunch, make I go chop. Some of the game boys are they warn you. If somebody they diss you people for Snapchat, listen and listen very, very carefully. And listen very, very carefully. Me, KOD, everybody on Facebook know me. If I want diss you, I don't care about the money you get. I don't care about who you know. I go diss you. Take, make wasem. Bese weka wasem na phone sriwa. Make wasem. I don't hide. Me hide it that. Since the time people know me hide it that. So if me KOD, I give somebody shout out. Ibrahim Matakam. Tieniye. Now for I drink to him before you people, my next video, if you fool again, I go start to mention you people your name. Where you people, I get your diary for there. I get your diary for there. Aha, sa sem na ba no musuro. I be you all week. Nothing go happen. Car racing, womb. But people still they do car racing. Omuya car racing now. Obi car to me bo, ema car ne she, ema ni wu me boa. Aha. So but still people they do the car racing. Still the racing they go on. It be same thing. It be racing you people to go. Ibra crash it. Munja no wo. Munja Ibra wo no. Mun focus on car racing. The risk you know the risk involved in the thing they do. Focus they do. You know what I'm saying? Now the thing happen. Now when you start the fear. No. Bema, it be the hustle. Day inside. La day inside. La for die. There where you take your money for. There where you buy your range for. There where you build your house for. There. They unless you know where you won't accept say Bema ejuma we mean yebium. But so long as you still they do this thing, same level, same business, you for no say risks day inside. You for no say risks day inside. So if matter come, the only thing that you have to do is to remain calm. None of you should even respond to Ibra. You dey respond to Ibra, it means say you said something there your chest you won't clear. Aha, ono na mo car racing and a car crashing. If you people be mature, don't respond to Ibra or don't respond to whatever somebody they do. You do so, you they get your matter outside more. And they educate you people. You the game boys where you go talk somebody my matter. You go talk somebody my matter. I hear that matter. I just don't want to disgrace you people. I don't want to make sure you put your name. Those boys so where you go give somebody a matter. I get the list. My next video, you put try again. My next video, you go film them. And I said, more Ghana, me why never lose you? Me your video, I mean sweat you. Me your video, I mean sweaty. Mo UK, the weather na good. La pit, la calm, la no sweat, la straight, la talk. Aha, me wien so awoa because na benz ba kum dia koto edwane aba. Aha, so make I give you post some warning. If somebody they do something, Ibra come or somebody they share something they do, remain calm, it go fade away. Ewiase you kon obi asem. Ewiase na e wono, you kon obi asem. But if you want make somebody can do damage control for you, if you start they accuse some people, make the car attack, hey, you go feel attack KOD. You go feel attack. Hey, but me, if I dey talk, oh. Me, if I dey talk, I know they hide, oh. Everybody know me. Me, if I dey talk, I know they hide. If I dey talk, I know they hide. It's cold here. I don't sweat. And I can talk for 5 hours. I don't sweat. You see Taju Jima, he be street king. You know me. Taju know say me KOD. If somebody do me something, he pay me. Where I can't lie for. I don't hide behind camera. Aha, I dey talk. I dey tell you my mind. Because some of the game boys for Ghana fool too much. One must get the team. All because of scam. You must get the team. You supposed to, regardless, Muna Muma Ghana, you supposed to do your thing. Everybody they respect your hustle. But the first say who must did do what Utimuna Udi Jimmy, they take the see people small boy. Who did the thing conform Mechi? They take people, my women from them. They take the fua. Bema over feeling. You go feel them. We go make you know say upon your money or you go feel the heat. We make you if I want make you feel the heat, I go talk them live. Make you understand, say, I talk I'm live. I go attack you live. I go mention your name live. I know they hide behind camera. You people know how they hide behind camera. So the game boys, me, I they tell you people, the job where you do, risk day inside. And you have to be ready for the risk. If you not be ready for the risk, Juma na ye Mason. Jai na ye with Mason. Juma na mo ye no, mo ko banko fo humo. Nkofo nim say, we all call kahun. Enti ma asemba na obi be ka obi a. The best thing for do be say ignore the stay focused. Bobi be ka na mo mpene, mo be say mo fa mo na mo di mo adwe bobo ho. Na mo di mo adwe bobo ho, nipa we na ama nipa we yesi. Nipa we na ama nipa we yesi. Bema, you know go so see me Snapchat, I'm getting to 1 million views. The boy where you people they claim say are they behind that account? If me are they behind that account, the people for fear me because that account has been less than 24 hours. The guy they get about 900,000 to 1 million. You for fear. The guy, give the guy shout out because he they talk about Ibra. I don't know the guy. I don't know the account. So if anything, this guy KOD self give a shout out before. So you know what? Make we call KOD. Make he talk to him guy because the guy nobody know him. Nobody know him. The guy they talk about Ibra. Right now the guy they talk about boys. He is small boys. So guys, make somebody contact KOD because the guy he said KOD self he give a shout out where he blow. He be this thing say I forgive somebody shout out. If this thing I forgive somebody shout out. Where you people go they tell Taju say be me and Taju we dey behind that account. Me and Taju we dey behind that account. Hey, Chairman, Ghana Chairman, Tamale Chairman, I beg you, me KOD, if I won't fire you, I dey meet you one-on-one. Ask Ibra. We are go frustrate you. Ibra, I frustrate them. I frustrate them. What I say, I frustrate them. So guys, I beg you. If you they think say you be charmer. So if matter come, Bema, and I make catch him say tackle na mo no. Tackle na mo no. Tackle na mo no. Go for whom? Mukoba de bia go for whom? And yani papa ku na ehum. Muchemu aka no mudi mudi abobɔ ho. Mudi mudi ade abobɔ ho. Aha ka no mudi mbobɔ ho. Enti se mudi mbobɔ ka no. So obi ka wa asɛm a and for what dream for Uncle Casse, if you are killed in Pemasem, and to kill the Namani Pani, and air come asem. Bema, Eh, Bema, you do so, dear. Me, baby, I can go me, you can't to share baby anymore. Bema, baby anymore. I tell you. I tell you, baby any UK account mo come to me oh. I tell you, but I still the chop. So if what they think say, hey, you say you should nyama mo. Una won bet chiro. Me them no go see one video. Me catch you on document. So chama, won be foul me won for me. Don't try me. I dey respect you people all. You say the boy where they do that Snapchat mention some Game Boys them a name. You know mention some Game Boys them a name. And the people where the boy no mention them a name, KOD know them. So since KOD know them, they be KOD where they behind back. We know they won't mention those boys them a name. We make them mention somebody name. Why the card boy? We are Juma boy. Why the card boy? I won't see your ID card. Why the card boy? Why the card? I beg you, make you not make a cam your cam. Make you not leave me for where you see me for. Me da ho no bema, me da ho no me jare ye. Me no nsuo. Me ntwetwe me si jam wo. Don't wake me up. Nsuo na endorse no fie. Nsuo na endorse no fie. Mame for njare. Mame for njare. Leave me for where you meet me. Chama, I beg you people. Leave me for where you meet me. Leave me. If you not be so dear lamwe o. If you not be so lamwe. Big ups to Tajujima. But Taju go tell you, we know they hide behind camera. Oh. So chairman, you say I come Facebook live, I know they mention you put your name. Me I go fit mention your name, make them laugh you. Oh. Aha, the fastest street make hot. Asemne ba Ghana for kasa, the boys ne ye the grow 24 hours now fade. We all know. Asemne basia 24 hours now fade. What I say? So ujutum Ibra Sembasia, boys, be boys din. It be normal. People go take food 24 hours now chill. As a Game Boy is part of the game, you should be able to endure it. Oh yes, you should be able to endure it. Eba no way you win it. No way you win it. Nko foka no way you win it. Make you no go say you go fight time. We go go in mercy. It be fact. Unye scammer. Are you not the scammer? Unye fraud boy. Unto ticket man go for. Undi girls. You know they chop the stars. Can't you talk say you know they do. You know they chop the stars. You know they chop the stars. Make you don't make a tough for Chatawali 7 voice inside. Make you don't make a start tough for Chatawali 7 voice inside. Hey, don't try that. Make you make a start. You know chop the stars. You know you buy ticket give people. You know you buy ticket give people. Or you want make we mention your name first. La talk oh. La next time la go mention name. Big up to Tajujima. Wherever you dey. Aha, video no ma share. Bani a chama ni kano. Anya no crow. Chama. Aha. If you want to talk them a matter, you go talk them direct to their face. Aha, our snap forget. Oh, my whole life I not chop $1 million before. I not even see that money before. But we dey control things. Why? Because of our brain. So charming, me KOD, if I want to talk your matter, I go talk for your face. I not go talk for your back. I not go talk for your back. What you say? Now make us set some records straight. Make I mention some names. Make them see say, regardless of everything, I get love for them. What you say? Aha. Ube se ujiji mtokwa. Ye unkofubu muha ye njiji mtokwa. If you see them pass, lion don't step until top. It could chew you basa basa basa. Some of the boys, the so-called Game Boys, out of love, we show you people love. You pay us back with evil, and you people know what you do. But if you people start the fool, the issue never to Facebook. Make KOD if I talk, I know they take some from inside. Make everybody judge and see, say, oh, KOD, you fuck up. Or KOD, no, you know, you fuck up. That chairman fuck up. One mistake where then chairman they make. Say, can they Joe Mutimu Sahabi say, if they deal with them a party self, they won't chop in girl. Or if they deal with them a party self, they say they fit send you. Hey, regardless of your money, you forget self-respect give people. Regardless of your money, you forget self-respect give people. Regardless of your money, you forget self-respect give people. What you say? That be one thing where you people for learn. You people for learn that thing. It be self-discipline. Your uncle for be promote ska, but my din. Your uncle for be promote ska, but my din. Snapchat. The reason why some of the Game Boys for Ghana they fall be say you people they do unnecessary competition among yourself. This person say in house be whatever. Somebody in mother be useless. Somebody in mother day village. Somebody no fi buy in mother this. If you people know the cause your matter, Where if you people no go make them go catch you people. If you people no go give yourself problem. If you people won't compete, it has to be a motivational competition. It shouldn't be to the point say some people say they call people them are clients. Some people say can't post slip. Somebody go call the bank, tell the bank say any transaction 600,000 or 800,000 is a scam. The person is from Ghana. This is what some of the boys they do for Ghana. So you people be the cause of your own downfall. Don't be anybody that cause you for your downfall. Nobody that cause you for your downfall. If you people know they cause your own downfall. But Kennedy Japan, the whole Ghana they beg you. Me Kennedy Japan, me recently I can't like your matter pass. Me Kennedy I blast time before. Now me Kennedy I can't like him matter because Kennedy, if we get Kennedy like 30 for Ghana, we go prosper. Me Kennedy Japan again in number. I never message him before because I don't know what media I'm gonna talk. You know be my friend. But I they like what they do. If somebody get hard give Ghana, whatever they do is correct. But Kennedy, me Kennedy, they beg on behalf of the Game Boys. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Make them there. Leave them alone. If you say go touch one, if for touch all. And I'm Game Boys, man, you're careful. Not Kennedy, Jai Pasta. Not starting Game Boys. Le Woo, Bank of Ghana. Money they come inside. Tracing. Yanchu wa ha, bechu wa how. Say Kennedy, Jai Pastors. No bad Game Boys. Le Woo. Because mube bre. Kana muchino. Normal place na machuchabu in any system. But in more town. And God bless the national security. Like you people, I forgive you big ups. God bless national security. Whoever they work for national security, God bless them for the work them they do. God bless them. If they see anybody they work for national security, take respect, give them. Because them they do serious job. Them they do see. Don't think say then they joke. Ghana and robbers, if they catch you, then they kill you straight. So Ghana security, big ups to you people for the great job you they do. God bless you people. Big ups. Make you not make this foolish ibra go make you people go put your eye for the Game Boys that matter for Ghana. So guys, respect the police and blah 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 blah. Hey, regardless of how they know the boys, if you them know they protect Ghana. If you them know they protect Ghana. What's here? So guys, make we respect each other as brothers. Make we respect each other. Make some of the Game Boys stop the form big boys. But the game people they inside. Some people they, if you hear them a matter. If you hear them a matter, respect them. Me, the Game Boys, I know plenty. I see plenty before. Are they among business? You see the Game Boys always, you see them around me. Business say KOD on him typing. Business say KOD on him typing. Maybe some Game Boy be can dey around me. Then some boy be go see. Oh, KOD dey with Chama. Oh, KOD then tell Chama say so and so. What was our level no? But all the Game Boys I ever meet for my life. Business say, you and KOD do business before. KOD no typing. Masa, omoba hanum bia. Ye pese ye chiro modo. Make I tell you people something. Omoba hanuma. Ye pese ye chiro modo. If they can't hear, forget who you know for here. Ube UK. Now ni mobia original year la banku. They know. Ask them. Satan is me at all. La banku. So then come. Oh Charlie, these boys, them they respect them for street. So Oma by UK, Charlie, make we show them love. They don't give me money. Oh, it be love. I tell them, we they show love to each other. What I say? We they show love to each other. Then come down. Oh, Charlie, your chama for but on any fe. Not gonna phone where chama, la respond there. Biz Wale say, Wale go tell you. Biz Wale say, the Game Boys, so the big boys always see me. If they can't hear, hey, Charlie, I feel take 2 weeks off work. Plenty of people say, they talk, KOD service, say, the Game Boy. KOD say, I tell you. If they can't hear, I feel take 1 week off work. We go talk. Charlie, we go meet. Charlie, we go meet. Okay, KOD, we go meet. Then if they can't hear, then we all. What I said, then we start to chill, they do things. You know they mean say of that somebody fool. What I said, Charlie, nobody they feed nobody. That be one people for put for your head inside. Nobody they feed nobody. Where KOD or no beka. KOD, you know they dilute them. KOD, I know they dilute them. Because if you are saying, this word, be brain a wakono, be brain a wakono. Sika for crap in a year wa mubusi munya. You will seek any big crop as any background stable nya. Shedanka Williams ba. Papa ni nya cry and kakola no cry if you uncle baby. Shadi or the papa. So life However you see yourself, you be somebody. However you see yourself, you be somebody. So far as you get sound mind, you be somebody. What I say, Emma Obi, Emma who say you know be anybody. What I say, big ups to you, Taju Street Chief, big ups to you. I always respect you. You call me today, we send each other audio, we explain things, give each other. What I say, Taju, wherever I go see Taju, wherever I go see him, leave him for there. Don't wake him up, leave him for there. That guy, last Street Chief, oh no, come street no. Uchama homebon Taju nenimo. Uchama moto munkoya, chairman nim. Uchama boxers ye four, Taju onim. Make a chill, Taju, la Street Chief. You know, be say they fear Taju. We no be say Taju they fear me, but we they respect each other. So if Taju hears something, yeah, see, if you got Taju no go come mention my name, diss me, oh, never. I dey tell you, never. He go call me, oh, Massa, so and so are here. How true? He knows I go tell him, oh, big man, Charlie, if be so and so we go sort them later. If you know be true, I go tell him, forget them. Then my mother said, go forget them. You know me. What you say? Will be respect. So, Chama, some of us, bet me your ID card, though. Chama, bet me your ID card. Chama, you go fit JID. Chama, la banku. Chama, bet me your ID. Chama, you bet me your office, oh. You bet shaking hand, oh. Chama, to me, oh. Usika no bet jina bonting. You do places be a ID card neko. Chama, wasube eshi wo. Forget your money. Forget your money. So Chama, you do humble yourself. Some places there, no play go. Play the boys they Ghana, then do me dirty. Where me, I no be clean. Me too, I do people things where it will no good. We all be human. But it takes a matured man to accept, say, I have offended my brother and say sorry. It be something where plenty of the Ghana boys, them no know. Plenty of the so-called chief, them no know. Of the so-called Chama, them no know. How to say sorry. How to say I am sorry. Then they see say money, sake of money, come up for there. You be who? And they talk, you they talk. Come up for there. Hey, Chama, la woo, la behave. If not, KOD, they go bring you on KOD station. I they tell you, I'll bring you on my station. I will bring you on my station. Now, no banku for any chairman, no. No banku for any chairman. No banku. You won't tolerate that bullshit anymore. The young girls waiting for marry, you put there, they chop them. You chop them, they give them sickness, they work for them. Chairman for most of the chairmans have condoms, have them no they use. Protection have them no they use. You tell them they spread gono and things for Ghana there. If they talk, they can't fool. Don't make somebody bring your matter for my station. Ube Johnny. Junior Kennedy, if they take your side, we to Abi Kennedy, Junior Kennedy for street. Make them bring your matter for my TV station. Make them bring your matter for KOD TV station. Ube two bobo bobo. Let them bring your matter on KOD TV station. Ube Johnny. Respect yourself so the young boys can respect you. If you don't want to respect yourself, the young boys go disrespect you. Don't they there they disrespect somebody. My next video, if people don't stop the banku, my next video, Chama, I go mention names. We are get the list. And then as a fake account or whatever they call himself they do, where you people they verse, they complain, no. You know be that. Media, me never. Me I know they hide behind camera. Junior KOD, street Junior KOD. If they bring your matter for street, no banku. No banku. What I say, stay focused. Big ups to Kennedy. Kennedy say Ibra be mental problem he gets. I sure say maybe you go can't address him say oko mukrano or unsa krano. You see not our mental problem. So he doesn't know why he has to waste his time on somebody with mental problem. Ebe Jano, maybe they will put Ibra on treatment. And now baby. Mon who think kwasi asem sa na odi osi or baby on any better. Sa this be what go this be your ending. You go start to get mental problem. You dey see Ibra. You say you there you go attack everybody. Unsu na war on no. Unsu na war on you go attack everybody. It be mental problem you go get. Mental problem you go get. We would like to send a big apology on behalf of the street. I'm the youth president and no one can take that. Me and Taju. On behalf of all the youth and the street, we would like to apologize to the president of Emekra Mengba. The president says The president of the Republic of Ghana say, we are sorry. Forget Ibra. The disrespect, we don't know where he got it from. But Nana Akufo-Addo, Daddy, we beg you, forget Ibra. We know that you go surprise Ghanaians very soon. Kroma eshi die, kromo dia eshi. Nanado ye wu benku boys ni wu ejume ni ho. But I believe say la Nanado go do show. Kennedy Japan. We are sorry on behalf of the youth. We are very sorry. KOD, I like to on behalf of all the Game Boys. Omunye bema, them be Game Boys. Omunjin too. Taju say them be businessmen. That be Taju in Angle. My Angle, omunye Sakawa boys. When no matter no businessman, no matter Edin Sakawa ni diama GSS4 no. So GSS4 no ne work cafe no muso omunye Sakawa boys. Omunye omo sisi 2 bedroom. Edi e chingana say businessman. Big respect to them. At least mu discane here at the papa. Mu bottles mu cock club bottles no mu to me turn be 50. Na mu hwe good Rolex, na mu didi nkofo ma me mo atem. Na mu didi broke boys, na mu didi the money be your own. Next time they can't take them from you. Next time they can't take them from you. So on behalf of all the youth, Mr. Kennedy Japan, ya pawacho boys need also be doing with chidia omo be chirom. But ya see, omo be chirom. So ya pawacho me KOD me a youth president, my bobra. Nyamia dom, browsing no. Nyami yimi. Enye sa ka browsing no me ka ho. Ma nye adwuma ya nge dia nka meye na na do ndie because o say me mami ndidi, o say me papa nye de ndidi. So ndie me fimu, so it no be full time. So Leonardo, we beg you. Kennedy Japan, we beg you. Why? Facha ye nuanum no. Facha omo anye ni ye. Anka Ibra ya kosi problem ama obia aden. Ibra no, sesia no, wako down. Boys ni fi adwuma nko biom. Because omusi or touchy, udi adwuma kwa no abese udin. So out of frustration, I say, hey, Ibra so by your okono, he won't do say he won't bring everybody in. Obia nyehwe. Chama, the dinner moon was snap ni anymore. Tajune beka enim kwa sia Game Boys. Those me na maba me damage control mamu. E dinner moon was snap, you see FBI ni Ghana o. Mo live mu life. Na FBI oba Ghana kra mo nte. Game na ye wo mu no. Bibi be si at any time e be si. What ya say ebesi hwi ni wa obetimi aye ene abefa hash papi akono ono kwa ye bom pa ye man say nyame nye den nyame yi ni fi bibie mu ebesi FBI ni Ghana live your life normal Ibra na akodi ni nkwase asem ena Kennedy Japan punish no. So live your life. I beg you, enjoy. If you go if you be true say they go catch you, no matter how you go wear protective gloves, apron, wear boots, they go catch you. No matter where you go they go catch you. If your time reach, where they say they go catch you, they go catch you. So in India, you can't do anything. But right now, anybody go tell you, an FBI, and list, and blah, blah, blah. List BR no day nowhere. Me KOD they talk. List BR no day somewhere. So Chama ebimu, already ma paki munyama mwe sita male kwanso amoko. Munsa mwe chimbra, na Accra is safe. Munsa mwe china munye de, mumbra, Accra is safe. Problem be any baby the moboko. But ya say wafa unyama na wafa ka na we sitemale kwanso na wo ko I beg you la come back Accra la safe. Accra no problem, Accra la safe. Me pa ma chocha ma bi mu a motutu akoshe mu ma mu fie. Motutu akoshe mu ma mu fie pa cho mu fi tokro ni mu mbra. Mu ma mi fie no usiesie na wo di esi share ho a anka wo ko ye ni fifrent o. Udi sikane nyina ko ye slay queen wako renti efi ama no wo slay gon on the way awaso ayeshi ye ba ye ni de we ja slay gon fie no $2 million no akotina wo ma mincha AC ni abobo wo on the way awo sweaty ye no anajo on the way awo sweaty ye la come back Accra la safe FBI la dey not dey town if dem dey town safer you no go know they will catch you go la tamale they say no la for come back I beg you, like for come back. We the youth self of the Republic of Ghana, we create some movements with them. We call them the Ghana Youth Empowerment. Ghana Youth Empowerment. We see where they're going to go, how they do things. We create Telegram group. We get over 1,300 people for them. These be the things where some of you Game Boys, oh, the youths, they won't do something. Oh, Charlie, the youth come together. The Game Boys, will they sponsor you people? So if your matter Kennedy go talk, oh, and your boy will not go here donation, ma, no. But when you say, Kawasikana, no, they didn't quite same dia, it didn't make you sa. Yabechichimwa no musro. Yabechichimwa no musro. You did, you for pay. You the hustle. You know, say this thing they do, you no good. But God, nothing there for do one. You they get money. Instead of you to donate, do things, the youth, you gather them. Youth movements. Now I gather. Bibi na mo kosi. Munyina mo di sika bomb. Game Boys mo di sika bomb. Oh, you people, you know yourself. Boys ni nyina na mo di sika bomb. Na mo nyabe $200,000. Na mo di akosi bibi. Na mo di mudia to so. At least mo suro mo real name kra. Na mo di mo nicknames atoto so. Ba on be for 70 million they akoto car number plate. You don't do that. If they can't catch you, then now they run. Because Uncle Uye Bibia, Assembly Bar, Kennedy Becker say, oh, you know, these guys say, we go do this thing for this place. You know, this person said, we go do something for this place. So, youth, you people stay focused. One can, one who to me can, also be can. Obian can, unyam aha, you see some of you, maybe you know, if they talk, the boldness no day. Aha, but be can. You also piano pano bekano. What you say? Me, I be bold. I be bold. That be where I dey. That be where I dey. I mean, so yeah, make me off it TV in mouth. One obi di nkwasi asem oko. I will make sure say I dey block am. Oko. My blocking pa. Uye ya TV ni die me off na mouth sisia. What you say? Me off na mouth sisia. So Ghana, come together, the youth, come together and do something for your country. Now, every day you are saying the government is not building the country, but Sika youth need the back room no. And more than Sika cry government crack off abra. Munya bibi mama buying, say be ya munya sema ma buying to me share so mamu. No banku. Tajubeka to your street dues. Your street dues and your ma bottom. Your street dues is doing something for the country. Your street dues, hospital, school now, ceiling leaking. Your street dues, is to go there and go and change their roofing. Me killed him in Jobia 200,000. Me 2002, 2003 na yema me no. And no ana me di biya de 88 me bills ni me nyama ni me fie ka ni nyama no. So me so kakra me manu me ma street no mombo 100. Na ma mo bia na me 1,000 Ghana na ma chiche. E pa che se nyame dom me na me nya $100,000. Sa na me yi $20,000 ache e di amankofo. E be so the street day. And yes, me bana me see me yemu a ebru me so. I dey see say somebody there somewhere, if they get 100, go give him more than 50 Ghana for house. You will give him more than 50 Ghana for house. So street now you want it there, if you see say somebody they talk you the matter, tell us say this guy he no go mind you. Wabo bra, akrano or see before baby few no. This is the requirement. Also way juma papa ye. A juma na no, he has to be recognized by a state or a country. Unisa ID card now be fike their own few. It also will fear ultimu. It also at least 2 or 3 developments they go on. As I killed you can ask my own few who will echi. He no go mind you. If he mind you, he drag himself back. If he mind you, he drag himself back. He drag himself back. So Snapchat edino nipa no we no. The person me I make it blue. Me I make it blue. Everybody for Snap no. Right now, if he snaps 7 hours, if they get over 20,000, is the way they post on the me I make it blue. So you did there. If somebody wants to spoil you, you know go stop the person from spoiling you. The person still will talk your matter. So God bless all the youth for watching. Those way they share the video, those way they contribute, those way they talk for them. God bless all of them. Big ups to the boys. Big ups to Tajujima, Street Chief. They be a memo shout out because I know say you be real. Because Siamen's customers need our money. They can't talk that for you. Make you not make I can't start with you, sir. So guys, God bless all of you. God bless all. Yeah, the assembly about the way I be no. Sana be kano. Ye fi be in kano. And I yi be and ye the infimo. Support the youth movement. Support them. The Ghana Youth Empowerment I they talk about, It be the link they Facebook. If you click the link, they the Telegram group inside. Them they put ideas together about how they go clean God test. It no be politics. But if government come where they say they want empower the youth, they want help them, it no be problem. But them no be some people them they talk against government. No, it no be politics for them. But them they take help. If government say 10 people for their day, it won't help them, or it won't make them come together, make it give them job do a fine. Ghana Youth Empowerment. So no banku. I beg you the youth. I'm KOD. Before I make no match them about thing. Me ya. Na mu say nye tu no. Ya bo bra kakra. And a bra na ya bo kakra na ya na. You see, you have to be proud of yourself. Says na Kennedy. And a bra na ya bo no. Ya ye hu a ye niji. What you say? Ye hu bra na ye niji. Ye niji o. Ye hu bra na ye niji. So no banku. Oh, ye niji. Who hating now see a two no dia wasem and the info be Benz no top. Now one she ni year. 2 years later, want me maintain a Danny Corolla S. Danny Corolla S. Enti brand dear ya bo. Bakun sunye. Say dino bobo. Whether you tow you, whether you rent you, near the year you, be my abobra. Would you own out your own was so I no. Bema. I knew Yabobra. Says na Kennedy Becano, or bet you ni fear ni yaman, yensu Yabobra. So Yabendi Bema what who was here. Say Yabobra. Ntibema, where dear La Baba you, La Baba La Bosque Odio, La Ghana shall prosper. La de La Bosque Odi. So sorry. What you say? Sorry, Benson. It soon say ma. Interior no cry dear. Forget Yabobra. Yes, you bet show. And yes, be a two no by the motivate you. They motivate you. So sorry. Okay. Until mobile by you. And the taju. And the Miko. And the Mefro. Why? And me boss ba coupe. Game Boys na Canada. Mude mo ba me guamo. Me guamo wo social media. Musika na nyamu ni mi na edi. And the la bye bye. La bye bye you. La bye bye.